Today is washing day too, so I keep a wash bag under my bed of my clothing, but I also need to do things like the tea towel and my bath towel, and I actually need to do my bedding today because it's been a few weeks. So like I say, I'm not a big sweater, but yeah, you know, I don't want to be doing it every other week because it's quite difficult to make the bed in here. So anyway, come with me while I do all my washing. Now, I do get a bit funny about germs. I am a germaphobe, self-confessed. So I do spray the machine before I use it, and for all the good it does, I'm sure, but it makes me feel better. And I just use eucalyptus oil to do all my washing with. I've been using it for years. It kills 99% of germs. It doesn't really remove stains, which is why I wear a lot of dark clothing. But to be honest, I really just can't be bothered trying to get stains out of white clothing because I've got better things to do with my time. So.
In my eyes, find me in the middle of a moment, baby, I'm a good time. I wanna move my blues away, letting the music soothe my brain. Yeah, I won't feel my tears till the morning. If my love is broke, I'll ignore it. I'm on holiday, play it all night, night. DJ got me dancing to my heartbeat, feeling it, feel the rhythm, falling in love, dancing to my heartbeat, feeling it, feel the rhythm. All I need is a disco, dancing to my body is a melody. I'm singing till the sun is coming up. I can feel the beat just for me. I can't get enough. I wanna sway my cares away, letting the music soothe my brain. Yeah, play it all night, night. DJ got me dancing to my heartbeat, feeling it, feel the rhythm, falling in love, dancing to my heartbeat, feeling it, feel the rhythm. All I need is a disco, dancing to my I'm dancing to my I'm dancing.
I do prefer laundromats that are not on a busy road, so I go for like the quieter streets because I can just park up right out the front of the laundromat that way, and then I can just sit in my van and wait until my alarm sounds that my washing is finished, and then I can go put it in the dryer.
Heartbeat, dancing all night, stars in my eyes. No sleep under the lights, dancing to my heartbeat, dancing all night, stars in my eyes. No sleep, dancing all night, dancing to my heartbeat, feeling it, feel the rhythm, falling in love, dancing to my.
I love that. I was sitting here with my van door open and my camera was out, and a couple of kids came running past, and one of them sticks his head around and goes, "Do you stream?" I think he said stream. And I don't know what that is, but I said I do YouTube. And anyway, got all excited, and then they ran off and gave me a subscribe. So if you're both watching, hi, thanks for the follow. And yeah, then a gentleman got out of his car and he could see the inside of my van, and he just said, "Oh, that's a great setup." And then we just started having a chin wag, and then another lady walked past with her beautiful three-legged dog who was very friendly. And then we got chatting and we were talking about different places in Queensland, and yeah, so if you're both watching, hello, thanks for the subscribe. But yes, very friendly people in Tugun. I really love when I have those little chats. They do make a difference in my day because I'm quite often so isolated in my van, and today I've been really working. Obviously I work full time in my van, so you know, I've been in my van all day. It's been really windy outside, so I haven't really gotten out much outside time. So yeah, it was nice just to have a chat with some people from the area. Very friendly people in Tugun, Queensland.
Feeling it, feel the rhythm. All I need is a disco. Dancing to my I'm dancing to I'm dancing to my.
Sometimes, like these skirts in particular, won't dry, and I don't really want to keep using the dryer. I don't like using a dryer because it's not very good for the environment. But yeah, so there's always just like 3 or 4 items, so I just have to find somewhere to hang them in my van, whether it be on the back door, this door, yeah, over my things here. Yeah, but I'm also going to have to try and make my bed now, which normally I have all my doors open while I try and do that, but it's getting a bit dark out there, and I don't know. Let's see how we go. I just thought I'd mention that the mattress I have under here is not the proper mattress. It's just the foam that was in the van that was for like the seat. So I got some of the extra padding, like that foam core, like that bubbled foam from Clark Rubber. And then I wound up I spent a fair bit on a mattress protector, which has wool underneath. So it's a bit thicker, it gives me a bit more padding, but it also, the wool, you know, keeps you warm in winter, cool in summer, supposedly. So yeah, I've got a few different layers there, and yeah, obviously I don't weigh too much, so it's enough for me. I think I am going to have to open up the back door and do that from that side. It's getting a bit difficult. So I didn't do my doona cover tonight because I do have a sheet that is between me and the doona. So I do only do the doona once every couple of washes because it just doesn't need it. So yeah, mission accomplished. Oh, I love sleeping in new clean sheets. So I do actually roll my clothes to try and get maximum space in the van, and to be honest, maybe once every 6 months I kind of go through my clothes and just get rid of things I haven't really worn. I do tend to like wear the same thing a lot, I have to admit. But yeah, I'm definitely letting loose a little bit more with my hippie clothes. Really digging getting into those at the moment. So I'm kind of feel like I'm in the throes of replacing what I've got in my clothing. It's not really a wardrobe. I've got a couple of drawers under the bed with clothes in there, and then I've got some at the back of the van as well, underneath my seat. So yeah, I've got a lot of clothes for someone who doesn't really, go out too much. If I'm out, I'm hiking. I'm not much of a restaurant cafe gal. But yeah, I find that rolling really does help save a bit of space. So yes, that's what I do, and that's how I do my washing in the van. Sometimes I might do a house sit, which is good to get all my washing done, or if I'm back in WA, I might, if the family's got their washing machine free, I might utilise theirs if they're okay with it. But yeah, that's how I wash in the van. Thanks so much for watching that video. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy. I live, work and travel Australia in my van Gypsy. I am an artist and my artwork is available as prints or on t-shirts and bags on my website. The link is in my bio.